just about. It's 11:45. Out for a couple of hours today on a local permission, another one. 2 minutes from my house in the car. So I've been going through a dry spell at the moment. Spent 3 hours out yesterday, tried to make a video, nothing came up. Thursday evening, nope, nothing came up. A couple of hours there, and the last few hunts have been like that. So hopefully we can break the dry period this morning or this afternoon. I'll see you on the first hole. Okay, first signal. I thought it was a coin at first. I don't think it is. Too thin. You can bend it, so I'm going to go for probably a watch back, possibly something like that. Oh well. Let's keep going. That was quite a tease. Thought my dry spell was over. I'm feeling positive today. Right, let's keep going. Second hole, not my second signal, the second one worth digging. It's a big piece of lead. Doesn't look much, but considering my dry patch, this is the kind of stuff we usually find, and I'll take this all day over nothing at all. Right, let's keep going. So I just got a signal, started digging down, I can just see something just there. It's an edge, looks like a coin, hopefully it is. Let's get it out, have a look. Yep, I'm going to get detail off that too, so let's have a look at that one. It's George. I can see George Ives. George V. There we go. It's quite a nice little black patina. Oh, how way around? 1917, is it? Oh, sorry. Yep, 1917. Not an old coin, but I'm happy with that. I'm calling that dry spell. It's starting to crack. Right, let's keep going. I've not found a piece of this for a while. But this is anti-aircraft missile shell, or anti-aircraft shell. Now I know there used to be a, what do they call it, a gunnery point around here. But on there, can't see it on there, but normally there will be numbers there, and that'll be the timing cone piece which we return to set it and then launch it up. Yeah, it's not very old, but it's an interesting piece of history, especially if around here. Alright, got the new MyLab Pro spade from Unearthed. Good quality spade. I've had a few spades and this is definitely one of the best. Good size foot pegs there. Good stainless steel blade. Nice comfortable grip. Perfect for the winter if you have bare hands. Nothing worse than grabbing cold stainless steel in the winter. That's a good grip, that. Nice and long. It's even got a curve to it, which I didn't even know I needed a curve on a spade. It just makes digging that little bit easier. And it's quite a tall spade too. Good piece of kit. $49.99. As you mentioned, History Unearthed. I'm sure you'll do some discount. Right, let's keep going. Nothing too exciting, but it definitely screened. It's obviously some sort of container. You can see just there, that's the edge, the top. Not that old. Looks more exciting than it is. Right, let's keep going. Just found a buckle. A bit of leather still attached. Not too old, but it's quite interesting. Quite cool. Full buckle, pin on a bit of leather. Not often you find stuff like that. It's not that old. I found plenty of buckles without the leather and pin, so you just get that bar through the middle. Yeah, it's quite cool. Right, let's keep going. Been stepped in for an hour and a half. Just having a bit of lunch now under this tree. And how many other people have done this? I don't think the tree is particularly that old, so probably not too many, but we can dream, can't we? A lot of planes around today. Not too far from the airfield. Obviously taking advantage of the weather. So not found too much. George the 5th coin, buckle, bit of lead, anti-aircraft shell. The kind of stuff you expect to find really around, especially around here. There is history on here, just 2 fields over, still in crop. There's I actually found the crop mark on LiDAR, and when I told the local flow about it, they didn't know anything about it, and now it's been not listed but labelled. It's been labelled as a medieval moat and a manor, so that's over there. I've been on there a few times, I've not found anything to do with it. Right, I carry on eating my mini cheddars and then we'll crack on. Okay, first find after lunch, just a piece of lead. I've been doing a bit of methodical searching, back and two. I'm just going to do a bit of a random search now at the bottom end of this field. Maybe along that fence over there somewhere. And then I'm going to head up to where those bulls are, or cows. Not near them, but in that field. Have a little wander around there and we'll call it a day, I think. Well, that's an interesting piece of lead. Got a smooth on the middle, got some sort of, looks like purpose made rim on the other side, opposite side. When we turn over, it just looks like normal crap lead. Possible pot mend. Definitely lead, it's quite heavy for its size. One for the scrap bucket anyway. Right, let's keep going. Well, this is quite a cool little find. National Cycling Proficiency Badge. Unfortunately we've lost the pin. I quite like that. Knob. Not you. This. Probably a draw knob. That hair's still over there, bouncing around somewhere. It's quite nice, just doing its own thing. Well, that's the end of that hunt. I wouldn't say my dry spell is over, but it's definitely showing signs of weakening. So hopefully on the next hunt I'll have something decent. It was nice to see that hare. Every time I come here I'm always seeing hares, but I've never got that close really, so that was nice. If you made it this far, well done. It's not the best video, I know, but it's definitely not the worst. So stick with me and hopefully we'll find something better next time. If you need any detecting products, clothing, etc., don't forget to give Graham a call at Unearthed UK. If you drop the name History Unearthed, I'm sure you'll sort you out with some sort of deal too. Cheers for watching, see you on the next one.